Hi, we call ourselves freedom seekers, and that's what we are all about. It's about achieving freedom. This is our ultimate goal. And many of you call us lucky. Many of you think that working as wardens and living on campsites, it is a dream come true. But look at this. The campsite is becoming really empty. And as there are no campers around, that means there is no more work for us here. The season is over, our seasonal work as campsite warden is over, and we are not staying for another season, which means we have to move out. I would love to hear from you guys, because many of you watching our videos, you often say that this is a dream life, this is a dream job, this is a dream scenario, living in a caravan and working as a campsite warden for a season. Yeah, it is wonderful. We absolutely love it, but it's also very uncertain. There is minimal job security, and your situation could change from season to season. So I'm aware that for many of you guys who value stability, routine, and security and safety of being in one place and working one job with a prospect of doing it over a long time, for most of the people, this is the ultimate comfort. Well, not for us. We love change. And this video is all about how we embrace change and how we are going to navigate the transition weeks before our winter holidays truly kick off. So if you are interested and you want to know what's our next step, give this video a like and keep watching. We found ourselves in a transition period. So now we are uprooting ourselves again, we are moving on, we are moving out from Hidden Valley, and we are about to begin our winter travels and winter adventures. So there are many things to organize and many things to do, but none of the things that are happening to us right now came as a surprise to us. In fact, we were anticipating this case of scenario. And we've planned for it, so this might come as a big surprise, but we have a plan. So we've been thinking about our winter plans for all of the summer. We wrote our task lists, we know what we want to do, so now it's just the case of doing it and making it all happen. And the first thing is packing up, clearing our stuff, deciding what we take, deciding what we are parting with, and we are going to start with an awning. We've been here for a few months, so we made this pitch our own. Luckily, we didn't go crazy with furniture or equipment. We only have an awning and a bit of garden furniture. We will keep most of these things, but nevertheless, we have to pack up and we have to take the awning down and prepare the caravan for storage. It is an absolute chaos at the moment, but by next week all of this has to be gone, cleared, stored away, recycled, whatever. This awning cannot be here next week. We used to have a massive garden chest, so some of these things were stored in a garden chest outside, but we sold it in the summer because we anticipated a move towards the end of the season. So now every single item will have to be looked at, and we'll have to decide, do we keep it, do we part with it, do we put it in storage, do we take it with us, do we put it in a caravan? Because our winter plans involve 2 trips, and for the first one we will only take a car. So in the first instance we will go to Poland in our car to catch up with friends and family and have a bit of a holiday, and then we are going to come back to the UK to pick up our caravan and head into the sun. So these are the plans for winter. But before we go anywhere, we have to deal, as usual, we have to deal with our junk, with our stuff. And this is probably the most annoying bit. And I would love to say, oh, we are so good at minimalism, we hardly have any stuff, but as you can see, we have loads. But it looks rather scary because it's all in a mess, but we know more or less what goes, what stays. These boxes are empty. These are the suitcases we are taking to Poland, and we are going to pack our stuff in it. This table goes to my parents. We are going to give it to them. and I will work with the rest. Today I'm going to focus on the awning and pack some things in the car because my parents will kindly store some of our junk for us till we find a new site to settle on. And this whole lifestyle and these adventures on wheels, they wouldn't be possible without support of our family and friends, especially our parents. So thank you so much for your help and your love, and thank you for not questioning our life choices. Thank you for letting us be who we want to be, and for storing our junk between our addresses. So we are going to see my parents in a few days, and we are also going to have a job interview. So who knows, all these things may fall into places sooner than we expected. It's possible that before we set off for our holiday, we will have a new job and we'll have a new address and we'll have a place to come back to in spring. That will be the ideal case scenario. But whatever happens, we have to move and we have to pack. So I would better get on with it. This table was too big and too heavy, so it goes to my parents. I'm sure they will have a good use of it. And we are going to keep this one, and this one goes on a holiday with us because it's smaller, lighter, more practical. That hit me hard. My Wellington boots. This is the first autumn in 10 years when I will not need them because I will not be walking diesel in all weathers. So these can go to parents and wait for the time as I work as campsite wardens and I walk in the rain again, walk on the mud and damp grass. Ta-da! And this is what I achieved today in probably less than an hour. I couldn't film it because at many points I felt like crying, but then when I got overwhelmed, I just got a bin bag and I started binning any rubbish. And it helped. It's not finished yet. There are still some technical things, some tools I have to ask Marek about. I'm not sure what we need, what we don't, but I made progress and I'm happy because I can see that things are changing. I can see that we are on the move again, and it makes me happy. I'm not sure if we want to keep the cow truck. We've had it for many years. It's brilliant, but I'm not sure we'll have space for it. So we might give it to someone and then get ourselves another when we find a new site to work on and when we move into a new campsite. It's raining again, but it's sunny, so it's warm in the awning, and I think it's time to move these chairs from the outside to the inside. Perfect. In the summer we prefer to sit outside, but now we have more and more rain, so we can enjoy the last week of having this awning up and sit here to have a cup of tea, read a book. Moving these chairs inside, creating space for them, really sums it all up. Because when I started this video, the awning was just covered with junk. There was no space to move around. There were many things I had to sort out and I had to decide, is it going, is it staying, am I disposing of it, do I need it, maybe not. And I created space for something new. We had to adapt to the change of seasons. It's too windy, too rainy, too wet to sit outside. So I moved the chairs inside and we will be able to enjoy this little corner for the last week of living here in Hidden Valley. And that's what it's all about. It's about flexibility, adapting to changes, not only to the changes of season, but changes of plans, changes of circumstances. But we love it, and we love the dynamic of it. We love the challenge of it. We are really looking forward to the next chapter. And before I say goodbye, I will tell you exactly what's the action plan for this week, because this is our tried and tested method for navigating changes, massive changes, breaking things down into manageable tasks, into manageable chunks. Not everything at once because you will feel overwhelmed, but you need an action plan and you need to stick to it. Right, so here are the ideas for videos which we are going to film in Poland, and we started writing this all up really back in July. Here are the prices of campsites in Poland in autumn. We decided against taking a caravan to Poland because campsites are too expensive. More ideas for videos, things we want to take to Poland, various tasks lists, videos we want to film before we leave Hidden Valley, and finally all these to-do lists and tasks lists, they boil down to a weekly schedule. This is the last week of living in Hidden Valley. In the morning I took our car to the garage, I contacted our GP and I ordered new tires for our Caravan, confirmed Caravan storage with Riverside in South Molton. And what else did I do? I booked a barber for Marek. So that was all done in the morning within probably 2 hours. I had it all planned, I had it all written up, so I had an action plan and it was just easy to, you know, do it step by step. So today's to-do list is done and I can write a big tick in my notebook. Wow, I forgot how hot it's getting in the awnings, but at this time of year it will be absolutely lovely to enjoy this autumn sunshine under the roof and in the shelter of the awning in our final days here at Hidden Valley. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your help with clearing the junk. I hope you will find it inspiring or at least thought-provoking. Let me know what you think and whether you think we are doing the right thing or maybe you think we are absolutely crazy and should be put into care of responsible adults. Well, we will see what happens to us and where we end up. Whatever happens, we'll be sharing it with you. We'll be documenting our journey, our autumn and winter of freedom. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Remember, it's free, and if you hit the notification bell you will get a message from YouTube each time we release a new video, and we do it every Wednesday afternoon and every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. UK time. We have a live stream with you and a live catch up, and this is your chance to talk to me in real time. Thank you guys and see you in the next video. Bye bye.